Hi. This is my week 5 coding assignment, and what I decided to do for the menu app was to do a reading list. Um, Basically, and then be sorted by where you can add in the different genres, and then under that, add in the books. And if you look at my code, and I mean, it's personally looked at as I like to read, and I usually will, write down books I've read or books that I want to read to keep track. So looking at the code, I first did a class for book. In this case, I include the book name, the author, and the number of pages because those are things that I think everyone considers, not just the genre, but how long of a read it's going to be and who wrote it. Um, and did all of that accordingly. Um, and then I did the genre, which I'm using as kind of like the the team class that was in the video. And um, I've created an array for the books that get added onto. I made this note to myself because I wasn't totally sure why he did this in the video, but this is in here as a way to handle exceptions, prevents code from crashing, and which makes sense to just throw an error versus completely falling apart. So yeah, let's keep going down. Got the reading list menu. I didn't do create and because it said we needed to create, delete, and view. I did them, but I just named them differently. I did add and remove because I felt that made more sense to a reading list, not creating or deleting. It was just you add a book or you take a book off the list. Um, I also added some words to the prompts just because I again wanted to jazz it up. Where actually like welcome to the reading list and all of that. And everything's pretty similar to the initial one that the menu that was in the video. Um, Except I added some stuff here and there. Something that I personally added in was I have little alerts whenever something happens, whenever we go through here. So for example, with when you add a genre after it says great choice. When you go to view a genre, it says this. Um, and when you let's see, when you remove one, it says something funky. Just yeah, I did it for each one. I just was jazzing it up. I thought it looked cool. Um, and everything works. So I will show you how it works. We're gonna go here. So let's first try to add a genre. We're gonna add romance. Great choice. And then we're gonna add another one. We'll do mystery. And then we'll add um, and let's go ahead and view, or we're going to go and display all the genres. Just give them a look. Prepare to be dazzled. Did you do it? Did you prepare? Okay, good. Now I'll show you. And then it shows you all of them. So then let's go into horror and add, we're going to review the horror genre. Which one will we choose today? Let's see, shall we? Um, Enter the index, the genre you wish to view. Horror. Okay, I'm going to add a book. We're going to do The Raven. Edgar Allan Poe. I'm not totally sure in spelling, and this is definitely not how long it is. Okay, and then we're going to view genre again. And there we go. And there it is. And we're going to remove it now. As you see, everything works. And we'll go ahead and remove genre too, just so you can see that in action. There we go. And then we'll look at the display. And now horror is gone. So that is basically the long and short of it, how everything works. And yeah, hope I answered any and all questions. I'm gonna go ahead and stop recording now.